Son, we are very poor, but your education is the only hope for us.
Father, do not worry. I will study hard and change our life someday.
I cannot give you money, but I give you my trust and blessings.
That is enough for me. I will never waste this chance in life.
Ethan, you are the top student again, and your results are excellent this year.
Thank you, sir. I will continue working hard and achieve even bigger goals.
You got admission in a big city university, and this is a great opportunity.
I will go there and prove that hard work is stronger than money.
Son, this city is big, people are different. Stay strong and focused always.
I will remember your words, and I will never forget where I came from.
Look at his clothes. He looks like he came from a village. Why is he here? And this university is for rich and smart people.
I am here to study, just like everyone else in this class.
Do not sit near us. Your presence makes this place uncomfortable. Excuse me, can I sit here? I just need a place to study quietly. Yes, you can sit here, and I do not care about your background.
Thank you. I really needed a place where someone treats me normally.
My name is Mike, and we can study together if you want.
I am Ethan, and I would like that very much, thank you.
This class has always had one top student, and her name is Sophia.
I always work hard, and I plan to stay at the top position.
I will also work hard and give my best in every exam here.
I can't believe it. Seriously?
The results are out, and this is surprising. Someone new is the topper. It says Ethan is first place, and Sophia is second now.
This cannot be right. I never lose my top position to anyone. This boy is dangerous, but I need to bring him down somehow. Ethan, you are very smart, and I respect your hard work and dedication.
Thank you. I just study sincerely and try to improve every day.
Can we study together sometimes? And I think we can help each other grow.
Yes, of course. I would like that. Studying together sounds helpful.
Ethan, be careful. Something feels strange about her sudden behavior towards you. She seems kind to me, and maybe she just wants to improve her results. Just stay alert. Not everyone has good intentions in this place.
Ethan, you help me so much, and I feel very happy spending time with you.
I also enjoy studying with you, and you are very supportive and kind.
I think I like you, Ethan. You are different from everyone else here.
I also feel something for you, and I did not expect this in my life. Ethan, are you sure about this relationship? Do you really trust her fully? Yes, I trust her,
and she understands me and supports me in everything. The results are out again, and Sophia is back at first position now. Ethan is second this time, but this is a big change suddenly. That is good! I am happy for her success and improvement.
Thank you for helping me, Ethan. And your notes and ideas were very useful.
We helped each other, and that is what matters in studying together.
Ethan, I need to tell you something important about our relationship right now.
Yes, Sophia. I am listening carefully, and please tell me what is wrong.
Everything between us was just my plan, that I never actually loved you at all.
What are you saying? We spent so much time together studying and talking daily.
I only used you because you were easy, lonely, and weak emotionally for me. Do you really think someone like me would love a poor village boy like you?
I thought love was real between us. I trusted you completely with my heart.
You are so naive. I just needed your help to maintain my top position. Honestly, people like you should be happy someone even talked to them like humans.
So all your kindness, all your smiles, everything was fake from the beginning.
Of course it was fake. And I had to act nice to get what I wanted. You were just a tool for my success, nothing more than a useful distraction. I cannot believe you actually thought I would choose a poor guy like you seriously.
Look at you, village clothes, no money, no status, nothing special at all in life.
I trusted you with everything, and I even started believing you truly cared for me.
That is your mistake, but you should never trust people when you are so below them. Honestly, Ethan, you should be thankful I even let you sit near me in class. Without me, you are just another poor student nobody would even notice in this university.
I feel like I was living in a dream that suddenly turned into nightmare.
Wake up now, Ethan. This is real life, not your fantasy romantic world anymore.
Ethan, I warned you, but I know this pain must be very heavy for you. Everything feels broken now, but I will not let her words destroy my future. I will stop thinking about her, and I will focus only on my goals. That is the right decision, and use this pain to become stronger than before. I will study harder, learn new skills, and build something powerful myself. I started learning coding, and I want to build something useful for many people. That is great. Technology can change lives if used in the right way.
I created a small app, and people are starting to use it daily. Your idea has strong potential, and I want to invest in your startup.
Thank you. I will work hard and grow this into something big. Ethan, your company is growing fast. You are becoming very successful now.
This is just the beginning, and I want to build a large company.
Sir, your company is now one of the fastest growing in the market.
Good, but we will continue improving and expanding into bigger markets.
I heard about Ethan. He is now a successful CEO of a big company. Yes, he is very rich and powerful now. Everyone respects him.
I think I made a mistake, and I want to meet him again. Ethan, it has been a long time, and I wanted to see you again.
Yes, it has been many years. And what brings you here today?
I realized my mistake. I was wrong. I should not have treated you badly.
You made your choice that day, and I accepted the truth quietly.
I want another chance. I think we can start again from the beginning.
You did not love me. You only loved my value for your success.
I understand now. I regret everything that I did in the past.
Regret comes late, and some things cannot be fixed once they are broken.
Please give me one chance. I promise I will not hurt you again.
I changed because of that pain, and I will not go back again.
You handled that well. Not everyone can stay strong in such situations. I learned from my past, and I respect myself more now. I came from nothing, but I built everything with my own hard work. And today, you are living proof that effort is stronger than any betrayal. I lost something that day, but I found my true strength and purpose. Never trust blindly, and never stop working for your own growth in life.